But I know how
Sales.
that
Can I help
valve
you?
works, and what it is the piston has to go in.
All right, I'll take care of that for you. Thank you. You have a good day.
What makes the largest manufacturer of concrete pumps in North America so successful? What goes on behind the scenes to manufacture, sell, support, and service the thousands of products that have been created at this White Bear, Minnesota facility? We'll take a tour of the plant and see the raw materials, the machinery, the processes, and most important, the people who provide the quality and care to uphold the reputation of Schwing.
I think when you look at Schwing America and the Schwing Group and what we've built here in the United States, not only here in White Bear Lake, but our 6 stores throughout the country, our facility north of Atlanta where we manufacture the line pumps, there's a huge commitment to the concrete industry here. And when you buy a Schwing, you're buying into this commitment. The parts and service that we have here established, the training facility that we have here is absolutely world class. Everything that we do, every hour that we're here working for you, we're just increasing the commitment that we have to this industry. Oh, I think Schwing's commitment to the U.S., you see the facility, you see the expansions that we're doing here right now. Gerhard is hands-on with the business here. I think he's excited about the business. We're all excited about the opportunities here at Schwing America. Well, I think that, number one, we have a very unique customer base here. A lot of markets throughout the world don't have the long boom market that we have here. They don't do the yardages that a lot of our customers will do here. So I think that we really allow the group just to see a different way that concrete's pumped throughout our marketplace here. I think obviously having the experienced workforce that we have here, the number of years that people in the 30 plus years that Schwing America has been in place, those skills, it's a great interplay between us and Germany, Brazil, China, Russia, India, all the different plants, because we've seen a lot of stuff here that maybe in a market like India, it maybe is new, and we've been down a path before, or maybe they've seen something in Germany that we're just getting into now. So we really save ourselves and our customers a lot of time by having assets deployed throughout the entire world.
Before the steel is shaped into finished products, real-world performance is designed in by a full staff of professional engineers.
The challenge of the engineering work at Schwing America is to make the concrete pumps the most dependable that we can because our customers need to use them on a daily basis. Hi, I'm Mike Schweitzer. I'm the engineering director at Schwing America. The end user in America benefits from a global engineering team. We engineer the reliability in our concrete pumps by using the most knowledgeable people we can on our engineering staff. And one of the most enjoyable aspects of being in engineering at Schwing is we get to go down on the production floor on a daily basis and work with the assembly workers, get their input, and help them do the best job that they can.
Translating what works on the drawing board to the products that work in the field requires an understanding of the welding process that goes way beyond simply joining 2 pieces of steel together. When you have boom sections stretched 200 feet from the subframe, every component works in unison to provide structural integrity.
Our inspectors use 3 different types of inspection: visual, mag particle, and ultrasonic testing. We design and build 90% of all the fixtures in the weld shop and machine shop. Otherwise, our mother company over in Germany designs them and sends them over to us. I'm Steve Donahue. Been with Schwing America for 19 years, and I'm manufacturing manager of the weld shop.
Some welded assemblies and other components must go through a machining process to assure the precise fit that is necessary for smooth operation and longevity. This time-consuming process requires close tolerances that must be achieved and repeated at a steady pace to keep up with the demand for Schwing pumps.
Hello, my name is Carl Lovgren. I'm the machine shop supervisor at Schwing America. The machine that you see behind me is a 5-axis milling machine. What we do is take weldments, such as booms, and machine the precision bores on them. We do have a big advantage, probably over other manufacturers, because of the fact that we have this large milling machine in-house. There's only a few of these machines in the world that can do this, and we're very fortunate to have one of them here.
While computers can enhance the manufacturing process, someone actually has to assemble the computers. And so it is the same with a Schwing concrete pump. In the main assembly hall, all of the pieces come together with human hands. Pump kits are assembled, alignment checked, and rock valves are installed and tested before they are lowered into position.
I'm Lauren Graven. I've been here at Schwing America for 25 years. We test the pump kits by running them up to temperature, get them pretty much hot, run them for about 45 minutes, make sure there's no leaks. Then we'll finish assembling it, set it on the cart, and send it on its way.
My name's Ron Runhag. I've been a foreman here in main assembly at Schwing America for approximately 9 years. Our quality is so tough on the floor. I mean, we really pay close attention to it. And I think throughout the years of having a lot of good mechanics and a lot of guys you can really trust.
Meanwhile, over in the truck prep area, axles are repositioned or added to get the truck ready for the subframe and boom, to be joined into what will become a primered, fully assembled concrete pump ready for testing. Here, specially designed hatches in the roof allow booms to be unfolded fully to check for smooth operation with the radio remote control. Concrete pumping performance is checked with pressurized water to simulate job site conditions.
Our biggest challenge, let's say, when the pump hits us, is trying to have it done in a timely manner. We're trying to get them done with a one-day turnaround on some of the smaller units. Some of the larger ones at 61 meters. We're probably looking at a 3 to 4 day process. I'm Ray Schwartz. I am quality control at Schwing America.
Once the unit comes into the paint department from the test, we usually run a 5-day cycle between steaming and sanding, masking, priming, painting. Our paint facility uses all state-of-the-art equipment. We have a large booth, probably the largest in the Midwest. It's 215 feet long. My name is Mark Moscow. I'm the paint department manager for Schwing America. I've been with the company for 20 years now.
But we don't stop when the paint dries. Responsible manufacturing means backup of parts and service.
I'm Tom McCauley. I'm the inventory planner for the parts department. I've worked in parts here at Schwing America for 25 years. In the last year, we went from a parts counter work environment to a more office-like environment where each parts person has an individual workstation, their computer, their phone, their notes, to take the customer phone calls, handle them more one-on-one. Our biggest asset is the amount of inventory we have. Here in White Bear at the factory, we have about $25 million in inventory. Well, everybody in the parts department has a pretty good idea what these machines are, what they cost, what they do. You do whatever it takes to take care of the customer as far as getting the part out to them.
I would consider the service technicians and the parts people and support after the sale to be the unsung heroes at Schwing America. And the reason is because they're behind the scenes, but they're actually the people that are supporting the customer and making their equipment stand up to the daily grind that they have to do to perform their job. In addition to our 60-plus personnel at Schwing America, we have a dealership network throughout the United States, Canada, and Latin America. Hi, I'm Tony Heider. I'm the Vice President of Customer Service. I'm responsible for parts, boom inspection, and service technicians.
Service staff is on the job 24/7 to answer questions that may arise at any time. Field technicians and boom inspectors throughout the country, supplemented by our nationwide dealer organization and strategically located company stores, are ready to assist in whatever it takes to make a Schwing owner successful. Training can be a big part of that success. So Schwing has a devoted staff with regularly scheduled seminars featuring the latest multimedia tools, actual components, working models, and the real thing to make these week-long schools invaluable. While concrete pumps are what we're known for, the success of this twin-cylinder all-hydraulic design has been successfully applied to solids handling pumps, used in municipal, mining, and industrial applications. The manufacturing and assembly of these pumps and accessories is ongoing at the White Bear plant. The growing popularity of Schwing Stetter truck mixers has demanded its own manufacturing and assembly area at the plant.
Very few companies in the construction business that have the depth of expertise and have the equipment that we have here at Schwing America to make a product like this.
When you purchase a piece of Schwing equipment, you're buying the best you can buy. And it's because of the engineering that's behind it, it's because of the technology that's developed it, it's the technology that's manufactured it. And I think that the bigger part of it is the training, the service, the parts support after the sale. You know, we're focused on our customers making money every day that they're out there. They need to be up and running. That's tremendously important to us. Everybody here in the building, they live and breathe it. It's a way of life at Schwing. That's what our thought is. We're focused on the customer. We want to make sure that his investment, which he's paid top dollar for, is performing every day. So all that is very, very important. And with the commitment of the Schwing family, the Schwing group, we're going to continue down that path.